One of the most powerful things you can do in your marketing is share your experience and especially your lessons.
I'm Yvette Mayer, and you're about to discover how the human design gates can help you create more engaging content to grow your business. In each episode, we explore a specific gate's unique frequency as a cosmic content code. Let's dive in.
Gate 24 in human design is known as the gate of rationalization. But for marketing, I consider this gate to be the energy of recalibration. You know, that place in between expansion and resetting your energy so that you can expand into new possibilities. Recalibration is vital for us. This is where we get to reflect on our lessons and create a new, bigger, brighter, more expansive path forward. Gate 24 teaches us that there is absolute magic and wisdom in the lessons, and that is particularly true when we go through difficulty, but also when we're winning at life. It's the expansion and the compression. Expansion, compression. In this process, what are we learning and how can we bring that forward as humans and as marketers? This gate brings to the forefront those times in my life when, as an online business owner, which you may be one of as well, that I've gone into a huge effort, and I'm talking about things like launching a new program or a course, and after that expansion of giving and giving and giving and selling and selling and selling, there is an absolute need for both resetting my energy, so yes, recalibration, but also pausing to understand what worked, what didn't work. How can we take forward the lessons from this particular effort or launch and optimize our efforts for the future so that we're positioned for more growth? So how do we work with the energy of Gate 24 in our content? Well, stay to the end because I'm going to share with you 3 cosmic content prompts so that if you are a Gate 24 brand, or if you're watching this in real time and Gate 24 is transiting through the sun, which means you're watching this at the end of April, then you definitely want to stay to the end and take advantage of our 3 cosmic content prompts. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss our Cosmic Content Code series so you can create more engaged, aligned, and authentic marketing that cuts through the clutter and attracts your dream clients. The low frequency of Gate 24 is addiction. It's actually that sense of going around and around and around in circles and not being able to see the way through. And yes, we live in a society where there are so many humans suffering with addiction. Life is full of patterns and conditioned ways of living and thinking, and it's these patterns that can keep us stuck in things like addiction, and that's the essence of Gate 24. Whereas the high frequency of Gate 24 is all about invention. It's stepping out of the patterns and the conditioned way of thinking and trusting that with a little bit of ingenuity that there is a better way. There's more freedom beyond the confines of the traditional ways of thinking and behaving. And yes, invention always comes with a risk. It's about stepping into the fear of the unknown, getting uncomfortable. That's how we grow as humans. It's about bravely stepping into the new, going places that nobody has walked before. And it's in the discomfort and getting over the fear and trying the new thing that we actually are set up to take quantum leaps into our most rewarding and expansive state. Now let's get into our 3 cosmic content prompts for Gate 24 recalibration. And remember, this is relevant for you if you are watching this in real time at the end of April as the sun transits through Gate 24, or if you happen to have Gate 24 in a prominent position in your human design body graph. And one more thing before I go jumping into your cosmic content prompts, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Cosmic content prompt time for Gate 24. Our first cosmic content prompt for this gate is all about the lessons of your life. Your audience want to hear your stories, and in particular, they want you to make it relevant by landing those lessons. This is the perfect time to share something like the top 5 lessons of my life, or maybe even the biggest lesson that I learned when I did X, Y, Z. This is very much the spirit of Gate 24, that pause to contemplate and learn. And the second cosmic content prompt for Gate 24 is also about lessons. This prompt asks you to consider, what is the biggest lesson of this year so far? Take this lesson to your audience. They are going to be so engaged when you give them the opportunity to learn from you, to grow with you, and to expand into new possibilities. And our third cosmic content prompt for Gate 24, recalibration, is about recalibrating. It's actually about the value of pausing to make sure that we learn. So this is about encouraging your audience in your specific niche to not continue to push, but actually take a pause, to stop, to recalibrate, to consider the lessons before getting back into their growth. And I know how much you're loving this series, so I can only imagine you are going to be so excited that you caught this particular episode, because I'm offering you a free Human Design for Marketing 101 Masterclass. And all you have to do to access it is go to the description now, click through the link, and you will have free access to this epic class that is going to take you so much deeper on your Human Design for Marketing journey.